IBO stock analysis and predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? I'm answering this in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Impact Biomedical stock, I saw a beautiful increase, man, and I absolutely love the 140% increase in price. Generally speaking, with this in mind, I'm just not gonna be randomly buying, but as long as it's moving up, all I'm out here to do is just double down on this already beautiful bullish market. I mean, I've done 37,000 videos, invested 5 figures in courses and mentors, and I have all the proof to back it up. But generally speaking, marking the highs out as such, and then just starting the next week strong and smart, it's going to be the way, for me at least. And again, I'm not telling you what to do. I'm showing you the way that I'm approaching this. And as long as there is a shift, there's frankly nothing stopping me from buying more here. So that's how IBO is looking like. All I'm looking in the meantime is I'm just waiting. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.